Good morning guys. So it's already 5:30 in the morning. And late na ako sa workout running ko. I don't know kung how much kilometer ko per day. So we'll see. Tara, takbo tayo. Ito yung sunrise. Okay, ganda diba? First 1 kilometer is uphill agad. Hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ko. Sama daw siya sa akin. Come on, let's go! Okay guys, every time I saw a dog, I stop running because the dog are chasing at me. But kaya ba ng 10K today? Or gusto ko ma-reach yung 15K? Hindi ko alam. We'll see kung hanggang saan ako makakarating. 1km pa lang naman. Pagod na agad ako. Ayan na naman sila. Ay ako. Kumakatakbo niya ng maayos. Ito na naman po kayo. Ay, sa kalsada na naman po kayo. Ay, huwag niyo lang akong habulin ha. Struggle talaga. Okay guys, so nandito na tayo sa airport. So from our place, Libaong, from here, it's 5 kilometers run. So, pabalik times 2. So, 10 kilometers na. So, there you go. Takbo na tayo again.
Saw a mama dog breastfeeding cat.
And guys, nabot na ako ng init. Late na kasi ako nagising. 5:30 na ako nag-start. So, 8 kilometers na tayo. Kaya ng 10. Kaya naman today. Kaya lang, ang bagal natin. Yeah, so guys, 1 kilometer before 10. Yes, andito ako tinapos sa area namin, sa dagat, yung 1 kilometer ko. And then, reach 10 kilometer today. Hindi ko kaya, parang hindi ko kaya, pero finish naman yung self ko. So, hello guys, good morning. I'm done with my 10 km run today. Yung feeling na hindi ko kayang mag-run today, pero finish ko yung sarili ko para makapag-run today. Ayun, na-reach ko yung 10 km, pero mabagal ako today. Kasi I don't feel like I want to go for a run today. But, you know, I push myself to run. Kasi ilang araw akong hindi nakapag-run. Kasi ilang days yun umuulan every morning. So, yun, hindi ako naka-run. So, ngayon, it's a good day to run today. Look at the beach. See? Have a good one. Bye-bye.